Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Dan from IconScout, and today I'm going to show you all the different updates and new features that we have for IconScout. So let's start with plugins. And as you can see right now, I am inside Figma and I'm using the IconScout plugin for Figma. So besides our new logo, you will notice something really cool. For example, I would like to add any of these new assets. And let's say probably I can look for Bitcoin. And we have, plenty of options, and I really like this one. So the only thing I need to do now is to drag and drop. So I will drag and drop, and we have our asset over here, and I can place it in my design. That is pretty cool. But also, another update that we have is that we add 3D library. So if you come over here, you will see that we have plenty of options now. For example, I would like to add this 3D asset. Again, drag and drop. And there you go. So sometimes it takes a little bit because the image is still loading from the web. But after that, as you can see, you can enjoy the 3D assets in your design. That is pretty cool. So now let's move to the Mac app. So for example, let's say that you are working in some tool that probably don't have the plugin. Imagine Keynote, for example. So let's say like I have my presentation and then I need to add an icon. So in this case, we don't have a plugin for Keynote, but don't worry about it because we have our Mac app. You just click here and in IconScout in 3D, you need to look for Bitcoin and you will see plenty of results. If I would like this illustration, the only thing I need to do is to drag and drop. And boom, I have it now on my Keynote. So this is pretty impressive. And if we move to the other design tools, for example, we can go to a sketch. The plugin works exactly the same as Figma. So if we hit Command-Shift-I, we'll open the pop-up. And again, we can look for, motion, for example. And as you can see, we have all these different assets that we can add to our design. For example, we can add this one. And again, with the same premise, we are just dragging and dropping. And we can scale up a little bit. And there you go. And if we go to Adobe XD, a very similar scenario. So for example, we have over here the search bar, and we can type things like, abstract. There you go. And we can find a very nice 3D to replace this one. So, I will delete this one and then I will just drag and drop this, as you can see over here, and I will just scale it down until here. There you go. And yes, we can have also between individuals and packs. So as you can see, we have all these different packs and even more. For example, over here, you can see that we are in home, but we can choose between the unicorns, my downloads, collections. For example, let's go to my downloads. And this is a very similar menu as we have on the Mac app. So now let's go to Canva. In the new version of the IconScout plugin for Canva, now we have access to Lottie animations. So we can click over here and you see that we have millions of Lottie animations that are available for our Canva design. Let's say like we can look for, listening music. Let's click over here so we can have the results of just the Lottie animations. And we can select this, for example. This will be added into our Canva. So as you can see, now we have the animation over here. And if we would like to preview it, we just hit play over here. And there you go. So now we have plenty of possibilities with these new updates of the IconScout plugin. So that's it for this part, and I will see you in the next video.